Now let us understand what all types of angles these lines will make. So let us give the numberings to the angle. First types of angles are interior angles. The name itself suggests that they are into the interior of this transversal of parallel lines. Now what all angles here you can see they are in interior? Yes, these angles, angle 3, 4, 5 and 6. These angles are in interior of these two parallel lines. So interior angles are total 4 angles and they are angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6. Now comes exterior angles. Exterior angles are the angles which are towards the exterior part of this parallel line. So here you can see this angle 1 and 2 are in the exterior region and angle 7 and 8 are into the exterior region. So we have 4 different exterior angles here, that angle 1, angle 2, angle 7 and angle 8. Now corresponding angles. When we are talking about corresponding angles, we will get pair of angles. We will get pairs of angles and we will get total 4 pairs of angles which are corresponding with each other. What is the meaning of corresponding means? When we are talking about angle 1, so as you can see angle 5 here is the corresponding angle to angle 1. So this makes one pair of corresponding angles. As you can see here that this is a line and angle 1 is over here at top of the line and angle 5 is also here at top of the line. So that's why they are called corresponding pairs. So that's why they are called pair of corresponding angles. So first pair we got it here, that angle 1 and angle 5 they are making pair of corresponding angles. So we are going to write here angle 1 and angle 5 because they will be always in pair. So pair of corresponding angles, this is first pair. Now second pair, as you can see here 1 and 5 is first pair, then second pair will be angle 2 and angle 6. They are towards here, angle 2 and angle 6. So they are another pair of corresponding angles, that angle 2 and angle 6. Now third pair of corresponding angles, so angle 3 and angle 7. They are here, that angle 3 and angle 7. As you can see, we are choosing the angles which are at the same position for the line L and line M. The angles which are at the same position means for line L, the first angle is here, angle 1 is here. Then we are choosing this angle for the corresponding pair for that. So here is 1, here is 5. So we have to look for the same position of the angle for both of this line, for line L and line M. You have to see that where the positions are matching. So where we can say the positions are matching, this position and this position are same, this and this are same, this and this are same, and the last one, this and this position is same. So this is pair of corresponding angles. So third pair of corresponding angles we got here is angle 3 and angle 7. For the last pair of corresponding angles, angle 4 and angle 8. Alternate interior angles. So angles which are interior but they are alternate interior angles. We have 4 interior angles. Now here we are talking about alternate interior angles. Alternate means we will get only 2 angles which are alternate, because here we are talking about alternate. So angles which are interior but they are alternate. So we will get only 2 pairs of alternate interior angles. Now let us see what all are the interior angles first. These are our interior angles. that angle 3, 4, 5 and 6, they are interior angles. Now what all are the alternate from this? The 3 and 6. This is a first pair of alternate interior angles. Angle 3 and angle 6 is the first pair of alternate interior angle. Now same way, the second pair of alternate interior angle is angle 5 and angle 4. They are interiors, as you can see here. All these are interior angles. But when we are choosing the pair of alternate interior angles, then you have to write a pair like this, and two angles will be there into that, and they have to be alternate. Same way, alternate exterior angle. We have four exterior angle here. Four exterior angles are angle 1, 2, angle 7 and 8. Now we have to find out alternate exterior angles. So it is going to be angle 1 and angle 8. They are alternate, as you can see, in diagonally opposite to each other. So 1 and 8 is the first pair of alternate exterior angle. And second pair of alternate exterior angle is angle 2 and angle 7. So angle 2 and angle 7. So this is the second pair of alternate exterior angle. Now the last one is they are interior on the same side of transversal. Now what all angles are interior? We know that these angles are interior. They are saying on the same side of transversal. What is the same side of transversal? So this is a same side of transversal. Within interior, this is one pair and this is going to be second pair, because in between the transversal line is passing. So within this, the same side of transversal will give us this first pair, angle 3 and 5, and this is second pair, that is angle 4 and 6. So angle 3 and angle 5, then angle 4 and angle 6. So these are different types of angles which we will get it from the transversal of parallel lines. Now let us understand what all angles are equal and what all angles are supplementary. Now let us see the properties of the angles, that what all angles are equal and what all angles are supplementary. So here let us name them: angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now interior angles and exterior angles, there are no properties for that. Pair of corresponding angles, so they are always equal in measure. So they are, now what all are the pair of corresponding angles? Angle 1, angle 5, this is first pair. Angle 2, angle 6 is the second pair. Angle 3, angle 7 is the second pair, and angle 4 and angle 8 is fourth pair. So this pair of angles are always equal in measure. That means if angle 1 is 60 degree, then angle 5 is also a 60 degree. So that you have to remember. So this is the first property. Second, pair of alternate interior angles. Now alternate interior angles are 4 and 5. These are interior angles diagonally opposite. So 4 and 5 and 3 and 6. So there are two pairs of alternate interior angles. They are also equal in measure. This both pair of angles are equal. Now the last one is interior and on the same side of transversal. So we have two pairs, angle 3 and angle 5, and angle 4 and angle 6. These two pairs of angles are supplementary. Supplementary means when you will add the measure of these two angles, they will give you 180 degree in total. So angle 4 and angle 6 also will give you 180 degree total in measure. So that's why they are known as supplementary. So you have to remember these three types of angles and their property. That pair of corresponding angles are equal in measure. Alternate interior angles are equal in measure, and The interior angles which are on the same side of transversal, they are supplementary to each other.